Today, many organizations take a reactive approach to asset maintenance, which means that it can be difficult to stay ahead of problems like unexpected downtime or performance inefficiencies. With predictive asset maintenance, it's possible to predict problems well in advance through real-time analysis of sensor data. This means you can improve asset uptime, reduce maintenance costs, and improve end product quality to ultimately optimize the manufacturing process and improve the customer experience. Capgemini's predictive asset maintenance combines IoT data with machine learning to improve operational effectiveness. It is an online streaming data analysis solution that monitors equipment parameters like temperature, pressure, and vibration. Machine learning models predict failures while sending timely prompts to teams in case of issues. From collecting data to storing it, it provides a full suite of tools for any predictive maintenance need. Predictive asset maintenance has the potential to reduce maintenance costs by up to 25%, eliminate breakdowns by up to 70%, reduce downtime by up to 50%, and reduce scheduled repairs by up to 12%. The benefits of predictive asset maintenance came to life in Capgemini's work with a provider of industrial gases. Due to stringent service level agreements, the company could not afford downtime for its complex, heavy equipment spread across various regions. Predictive asset maintenance ultimately helped the company collect terabytes of data on its equipment, detect anomalies, and receive proactive alerts. As a result, the organization is now able to identify potential failures before they occur, saving costs and ensuring a great experience for its customers. If you'd like to improve the performance of your assets, don't hesitate to contact us about predictive asset maintenance today.